What's good, guys? It's Berto, and today we are in Puerto Rico. Oh! Oh my god. Yo, there's a horse. This food looks incredible.
Right now.
Look how juicy.
There's a lot of content out here. A lot of content. Stay tuned.
So it is morning time. Where's AJ? I know she's in here. Hi, AJ. What you doing? I missed you.
You too. Did you want to get breakfast?
No, I'm about to get it right now.
Are you eating?
Yeah, I'm hungry. AJ. What'd you get? Oatmeal.
I wanted to get the burrito or taco, but I'm gluten free, so can't do the tortilla.
So AJ has her oatmeal right there. Dancy, you already know. And then I have my oatmeal right here and my coffee because of course I needed my coffee. You gotta quaff it and you gotta eat your oatmeal.
The Triangle Bermuda is this weird cyclone thing that brings all the winds and it spits them all across the Caribbean. Since the Triangle Bermuda is right in the corner of Puerto Rico, it brings all the trade winds from the Sahara Desert over to Puerto Rico. They clash with the mountains of Yunque, and then that creates these scattered rain clouds all over. That's why every time you go to the Yunque or the rainforest in Puerto Rico, you're always going to see that it's covered by rain clouds. And those rain clouds, they scatter all across Puerto Rico. That's why it's always raining here, and then in Puerto Rico it's like, oh, 5-minute showers here, 10-minute showers here, stop here. You know, that's how it is out here. But one thing about Yunque, and the one thing that we all believe to be true, is that there are aliens up there. This is amazing right here. Right here to the right, the biggest peak is La Mina. La Mina is the biggest mountain of El Yunque. That's where I was saying that the aliens are. As you can see, it's completely hidden.
Oh, my legs feel like silly putty right now. Alright, we just arrived. Oh, let's have you guys introduce yourselves.
Jason from Brooklyn, New York as well.
Hey.
Alright, happy to be here.
Yes,
you know, we're
going
about
on
to have
tour.
a beautiful day.
Yes.
Can't wait.
Yeah, I know AJ already, and
Hi, I'm Taj. I'm with the Tea Grows in Brooklyn. Taj Cato, originally from Brooklyn, and I'm repping Alaska.
nice. That's pretty dope to say that you can rep Alaska. Like Kevin over here.
Hi guys, how you guys doing? What's up, what's up, what's up?
Yes.
How you guys doing? You guys ready?
Yes.
Let's do it. Hey, today we're gonna go to the rainforest. We're gonna be going with all these wonderful people, and we're just gonna have a blast, all right?
Yes.
Let's do it. Cool little fact, you see this bamboo right here?
Mm-hmm.
So bamboo is really awesome because the height that it grows upwards is also the height that it grows downwards. So if it grows 30 feet up in the air, it's also buried 30 feet down deep into the
That's
ground.
crazy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye, buddy. See you later.
There's gonna be areas where the bugs are kind of like. Touch this flower right now, and this flower is like the Venus flytrap where it closes and kills the animals. It's the exact same. An ant will walk on here, it'll close up there. Closes up, it'll suffocate the ant or suffocate any of the insect. It'll suffocate it, take all the nutrients from all the protein, better yet, down the stem onto the fertilized soil, and then mixes in with the soil. Helps other plant like this grow around this area.
Wow.
And it's one of the most amazing plants because literally right with your finger it gets right activated. Look at how it closes up. You guys see them right there?
Oh, wow. That's crazy. Yo, this is pretty incredible. You guys like those, huh?
Yeah.
$500 for these muddy toes.
Wow.
Swing.
You know, back in my pole dancing days. Wow. Nice.
There's a lot of content out here. A lot of content. Stay tuned. Hey, you're good. As long as you ask for. Perfect. There you go. Man, you're already professional. Yep. So you're gonna put your left foot right there. Yep. And then you're gonna step up. You're gonna pull up on that. And there you go. Easy. Perfect.
Nice.
Awesome. Easy,
That
easy,
wasn't
easy.
bad.
Nah, it's easy. It's easy.
Yeah.
Our natural water fountain. This right here is the only part in all this whole area of Las Piñadas where water naturally filters out and lands right here with us. So you can actually drink this water. It's perfectly fine for you. It's full of nutrients, and you can fill up your water bottle here if you guys want. Just like so. There you go. It's some of the best water out here. It tastes better than Fiji, so try it out. Give it a go. It's good. Oh yeah, very pure. I'm not gonna leave it. I'm just gonna
Oh yeah. How's that?
good water.
Oh yeah.
It's a tiny cave, but it's a really cool cave. It's like bright.
AJ, I didn't know you had to pee that bad. Jeez.
Well, I mean, do you want to jump? Do you want me to slide or?
Yeah, slide.
Alright,
Yeah.
I'll do that. Anybody want to talk? No? Good?
Nah, I'm good. Nice. Made that look so easy. How was it, Kevin?
Oh, yeah.
There he is. You're not jumping from anywhere?
No. What's one over there, but...
Come on, you should do it. That's content. It's content. Go viral. Come on. Oh.
Perfect. Now, there you should have perfect balance. There you go. The rest of it is easy. Just step it up. There you go.
Like me.
Oh, yeah.
Like
Tiny,
you.
tiny.
Yeah.
Like, you didn't even go to the rainforest.
There's a lot of force in here. And I was gonna spray you. That was so amazing. Oh my god.
And it was nice sharing it with y'all too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
nice
same
sharing it
here.
with you.
Oh yeah. All right, we just got back from hiking and we're gonna get some food. Kevin, where are we going?
We're going to Mi Vida Cafe. It's one of the local spots out here. It's so good. Some of the best mojitos in this area, and also some of the best like vegan food, and also like, you know, that regular foods, a little bit of mofongo, authentic Puerto Rican food, you know, all the good stuff out here. So we're feeling the vibe. You're about to go in there. You're gonna feel it so great in there. Just watch. You're gonna love it.
Yes, I'm excited. I'm definitely looking forward to eating something after that hike, which was incredible, by the way. And if you're interested in hiking yourself and having Kevin, I'm gonna put down all of his information down in the description below, so be sure to check that out.
Yes, for sure. It's a little darker. There you go. And then we're all cheers. Oh, we're gonna take a.
And then when I
Mango
when I
mojito.
push launch,
All put their hands on top of me, and like this is the very first time this has ever happened to me ever, because I've never had somebody else pray for me.
Yo,
Because
check
they're
this
so
out.
used to the
Mojito
let's go
definitely
bougie,
got
let's
me
spend all
feeling
this money.
nice.
Oh yeah. Instead of the bun, they use the tostones.
This food looks incredible.
Oh, yeah.
Look how juicy. Nice.
Oh yeah.
I literally just copied what AJ got, so
You're a copier.
I know.
Copying your elders.
I know.
Always.
It's a veggie patty with
Yeah.
avocado, maduro, lettuce, tomato, onion,
Pickles.
pickles.
Get the guy's name. Yeah. What is the name of it?
How was that?
That was good.
Yeah, told you.
Yeah.
There's pretty good stuff in there.
So many different flavors in that one veggie burger. Like the sweetness, the savoriness, the different textures. Like it was freaking perfect.
It's
Get a
so
little
Yeah.
bit of everything.
Look
Yeah.
at it from the outside, like you can barely tell it's a restaurant.
Hi, YouTube. We had such an amazing time. I love Berto. I know you love him too. Bye.
Thank you. Bye, AJ.
Bye, little boy.
Is it okay if I show you?
Yeah, sure.
All right, so I just saw this lady right here picking up some coconuts from right there. So they got their little trunk going on. Pretty dope. That's pretty dope. Yeah, that's awesome. Wow. Do you do this often or?
She steals everything. So if it's garbage, if it's cocoa, if she can get something out of it, she'll take it.
Alright.
She got a bunch of these things too. Abuela, ¿qué son? Semillas, ¿verdad?
Semilla, te plan.
¿Las robó?
¿Ah?
¿Las robó?
No.
Oh no, la compré. Oh, la compró. But she's
Oh,
always,
she bought that one.
but yeah,
Okay,
yeah, yeah.
gotcha.
She bought those ones, but she's always cutting something and then planting
Buy
it.
those. She got those from a tree.
Oh, she got them in a tree.
Oh, that's dope.
Yeah. She's always
Do you sell it or do you just like keep it for yourself? Oh, okay, gotcha. No, that's
in
dope.
our garden. She'll put it in our garden.
She's a
Ah,
forager.
that's awesome.
Yeah.
It's good to know. Well, thank you for letting me record you.
Of course.
All right, have a good one.
I'm a singer. My name's
Oh,
Indigo
really?
Mateo. Yeah.
Plug your Instagram and
Yes,
your YouTube.
my Instagram is Indigo Mateo and my YouTube is Indigo Mateo.
All right, I will find you and you can
What's
see the
your
video
name?
after. My name is Berto.
Berto.
On Instagram, What's Good Berto, and on YouTube
Good,
as well.
Berto.
Yeah.
Berto?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
there you go.
Yes.
All right, have
All
a
right,
good
see ya.
one.
Bye. Hey, how you doing? Oh, you just came out to me? It's a camera. It's just a camera. Hi. Good morning. I'm outside, out and about. There's this like little park area over here that I came to a couple times before, and you just like walk through it. I've never really like gone over to that side. Like it's just like more park area. But over here, you have the beach. This pink home right here I really love so much. Just the fact that you get like pink and it looks kind of gritty, but then there's also so many pigeons just like on the wires. Like, check that out. And there's so many like nice homes on this side, like beautiful. You know that they're expensive. Alright, that was really nice. I was craving an acai bowl, so I'm walking to get one right now. Yo, check this out. Somebody's doing like some fire stick type thing that is like throwing it mad high in the air and catching it. See that? Do I have to be over here? I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna do it, the tropical dragon bowl. Can I do the medium tropical dragon bowl just without honey?
With pineapple or papaya?
Let's do papaya. So I kind of got here at the perfect time. Do you hear that? That's rain. Like, I literally just sat here like a minute ago and now it's like coming down pretty hard. Yeah, but here I am. I think they put some honey in this. I told them not to, but it doesn't seem like that much. But you know what? I'm not gonna have them make this entire thing all over again. That's such a waste. I was literally getting up to leave, and then check this out. Before I get to that, this is the projects, like Puerto Rico's projects over here. Oh shoot, cat. But then look, there's a horse. Oh my god. Yo, there's a horse. Wow. Where you going, buddy? Just trotting away, trotting away. Hey, little kitty. Good morning. Good morning. Alright, so this is my last full day in Puerto Rico, Puerto Rico. And yeah, I feel tired today. I feel extra exhausted. I went to sleep a little bit later than I usually do. And wait, hold up. I'll definitely have to take a picture of that. Put that on portrait mode. But as I was saying, I am pretty exhausted today. Tired, about to get some coffee. The coffee is actually really good. Imagine waking up and then easily being able to access the beach like this. It's crazy. Alright, so I picked up food from 100% HQ, aka 100%. Alright, for starters, we have arroz con gandules, which I never really was a fan of, but I'm still gonna give it a try again because why not? Next, we have relleno de papa, which I was very curious about before. I was like, I want to make like a vegan version of this before, which I never did because I didn't know how to. But it's like potato with meat inside, and this one actually has impossible meat. Next, we have acapuria HP. I don't think I've ever had an acapuria before. Maybe once if I've ever had it, which I doubt. But this also has impossible meat in it as well. And lastly, we have empanadilla de pizza. I'm definitely excited about biting into this. And to go along with all of that stuff, I also have a coconut soda drink. Alright, let's start with the arroz con gandules. I think it's the texture for me for the gandules. Like, I never really was a fan. The flavor is there, it's just the texture, which you can not really do too much about. But it's good. I prefer regular beans, but that is still good. It's the skin of it. It's the skin that does it for me. It's like, I don't know. Alright, next let's try this acapuria. I mean, I'm not sure if you could, yeah, there we go. It smells like veggies, which is good. That right there. That is really good. Nice crispy outside, and then that impossible meat texture. So good. Very flavorful. Good choices. There you go. Oh, it smells so good. Let's try it out. That's good. It tastes like you're eating mashed potatoes with meat because the potatoes are mashed and there is plant-based meat. That's pretty good too. So far, I think the acapuria is winning though. That's pretty freaking good. Lastly is the pizza empanadilla. Let's tear this apart. Nice and flaky. Look at all that. That's good. That's really good. It tastes like pizza that is very well seasoned. Everything came out to $23. I left a tip because I was actually supposed to stay there and I just left the regular tip, but really not bad for all of this stuff. Like, oh, let's try to drink. Midway through drinking it, I was like closing my eyes because it was so good. Cocorico, another great vegan spot. Like, if you're looking for Puerto Rican, Caribbean food that is plant-based, this is another place that I would recommend. It is pretty freaking good. Like, if I had to like scale these from favorite to least favorite, first is the acapuria. Second, I would say, is the pizza empanadilla. Third is relleno de papa. I hope I'm saying that right. And then fourth is arroz con gandules. If I had beans in there instead of the gandules, then it would probably bring it up. But it's a side, like it's not its own thing, but it is still good. And then the drink, very, very good. I'm actually I'm reading it, Paseo Tablado de Piñones. And yeah, this is like a boardwalk that they have. So we're gonna check it out and let me see, assess the situation. Yeah, I don't think I need to wear a mask. It's out in the open. Hey! Check it out. Yo, place is pretty dope. I do see more black Puerto Ricans here than I have before. So that's pretty dope. It's definitely a place where you would want to go if you wanted to chill with friends, have a couple of drinks and all of that good stuff. So I don't know, but I'm just chilling here. Yo, I didn't realize I actually been over here before. I thought it was somewhere else, but my tattoo artist, he actually drove me through here before. So this is the entryway that we passed when we were coming in, which I figured that there was some stuff to hear, but yeah. This is a center that actually does a lot of activism when it comes to the environment and just making sure that people know their history when it comes to the African roots. And also they do bamba here, they rent bikes to people and whatnot, so that's pretty dope. I just ordered a mango smoothie from this place over here, and yo, Google Translate comes in clutch because he doesn't know English, and obviously I don't know how to ask that in Spanish, so it's just ice, water, and mango. So that's what I'm gonna have here. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. Got the mango smoothie. I'm actually gonna have to dump that off. Yeah, I'm just gonna do the smoothie. I thought I was winning here. Dumped off the whipped cream and the cookie. That's freaking good. Straight up mango, ice, and water. That's it. Alright, they're not serving breakfast today, so I just grabbed a chia pudding that they had in the fridge, $6, and I'm having this before my flight, so yeah. Alright guys, that completes my trip to Puerto Rico. I hope that you enjoyed it. I would appreciate it if you liked this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also leave me comments. If you're interested in following me on Instagram, I'll link that in the description below. And until next time,